Our chickens are useful not only for producing eggs for our family to eat, but they also give the kids a chance to experience a little bit of the farm in the city. The biggest challenge of raising chickens is probably just cleaning up after their poop and dealing with them digging in your vegetables and your gardens and in your landscaping. My best advice for you if you're starting your own flock is to check out the Des Moines Facebook pages for backyard chicken farmers. Also, plan out a coop that will allow you to get lots of extra chickens in the years to come.